Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener. I'm Marion Owen. Today we've got a story about a surprise in a birthday bouquet. My friend Sally received a gorgeous mix of flowers, but one tulip stood out, a plain beige one. At first, it seemed unremarkable. But what happened next? Well, that's where the story gets interesting. Stay tuned to hear how this unassuming bloom turned into something truly special.
On my birthday, my 60th birthday, my friend, who co-owns a little plant nursery here, gave me a little bouquet of tulips that she had planted and was selling at her nursery this spring. And it was beautiful. And they were all different. And I marveled at how each one was different in size, color, shape of the petals. And there was this one that was a beige color, and it kind of was like an antique. It kind of struck me as like an antique-y looking tulip, maybe from one of those famous flower painters, which I can't remember the name of right now. And it just really intrigued me. And then, you're supposed to trim your bouquet each day or every couple of days, and then wash out the container every couple of days to keep them as fresh as possible. And I did. And as I did that, over a week's time, the beige one, the antique looking one, started to really change. And, it went from a plain Jane or almost an ugly duckling. I can't imagine a lot of people would say, give me a bouquet of those when it was tight, in a tight flower position and hadn't started opening. But as that bugger started opening, it really revealed, lots of extra petals inside. It was really beautiful. And then crimson veins started to appear right at the tips of the petals. And it really started to look antique-y and something out of a famous floral print or painting. And then it just kept getting prettier. And I just thought, wow, what an addition to the bouquet. The other ones were kind of your standard tulip that would open, and you look inside and you see like the anther and the stigma, and you see the black pronounced on each of the inside petals, and then the petals just kind of fall off. But this guy hung in there and just lingered with this very classy antique look. And I just loved it.
That was a little lesson. What was your little lesson here?
The ugly duckling, which many would call the ugly duckling, and wouldn't grab themselves if they were to pick a bouquet, really had something to share and something to show if you were just patient and let it reveal its beauty to you. So, yeah, that was wonderful.
For the UpBeet Gardener in Kodiak, Alaska, I'm Marion Owen.